this video, we are going to look into the weighted average profit method. This is same as the average profit method which we have already done. So in this method, we are going to calculate goodwill on the basis of weightage. That is, goodwill is equals to weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. So number of years of purchase will be given in the question. So what is this weighted average profit? How can it be calculated in the sense? In your question, they will give you the profits and the weights of that particular profit or that particular year will be given. We are going to multiply each weights with the profit correspondingly, and we are going to find out the total of the weighted profits. So weighted average profit can be found out by the formula total of weighted profits divided by total of weights. Let's look into one of the sum and find it out. In today's video, let's look at the valuation of goodwill under weighted average profit method. So this is more or less same like the average profit method which we have already discussed in the previous videos. So we are going to look into the sixth sum of the Samachi textbook of Standard 12. Find out the value of goodwill at 3 years purchase of weighted average profit of last 4 years. So 3 years of purchase. So the value of goodwill has to be calculated for 3 years of purchase. And we can easily find out that whether it is simple average method or weighted average method, because it is easily given in the sum. Clearly given in the sum as weighted average profit of the last 4 years. So this is a weighted average profit method. So the year is 2015, 16, 17 and 18, and they've given the profits for you, that is 10,000, 12,000, 16,000 and 18,000 respectively. Now an extra information saying that the weights of the year, that is for the year 2015 it is 1, 16 it is 2, 17 it is 3 and 18 it is 4. So according to the weights of the year, we have to calculate the weighted average profit method. Let's go into the sum. So first I'm going to start off with the column. The information which is given in the problem, I have entered it into columns for calculating the total weighted profits and the total weight. So how we are going to calculate these two concepts are, so I've written down the year, I've written down the profit and I've written down the weights from the question. So now the last column, that is the amount column, is the one which we have to actually calculate. So how we are going to calculate the amount column is the profit multiplied by the weights. So let me show you. If this is column number 1, 2, 3 and this is going to be 4. So your amount column is going to be 2 into 3. So 2 into 3. The profits into the weights. So 10,000 into 1 is going to be 10,000. 12,000 into 2 is going to be 24,000. 16,000 into 3 is 48,000. 18,000 into 4 is going to be 72,000. So these are the amounts which we have got after multiplying each of the profit and the weights. So after getting the amount, you must get the total. So that is the total of the weights column and the total of the amount column. So if we add up the weights, it sums up to 10. And when you add up the amount column, it sums up to 1,54,000. So your total of weight profit is 1,54,000 and your total of weights is 10. So next we have to average profit. So weighted average profit is equals to total of the weighted profit, that is the amount what we have got 1,54,000 divided by the total of weights, that is rupees, that is 10. Weights is 10. So rupees 1,54,000, that is a total of weighted profit divided by 10. So if you cancel the 0, you will get rupees 15400, 15,400 as your weighted average profit. So with this weighted average profit, we have to calculate the goodwill. The formula to calculate goodwill is weighted average profit, the answer 15,400, into number of years purchase. So number of years purchase was already given in the problem as 3 years in the first line. So now this is going to be 15,400 multiplied by 3. So I will get an answer of rupees 46,200 as the value of goodwill for the weighted average profit method for this sum.